Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel, Aku Galaxy. My name is Akriti Gupta, and today you are going to watch my journey of learning English from zero to fluent. And this will gonna be help you a lot to improve your English. So, without wasting the time, let's start. So basically, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English very fluently, and if you want to be confident at this language, so what you have to do is you have to do is follow the three process, and this process is super easy, super. But what is needed is your mindset. So the three steps is listening, speaking, and writing. Only these three steps are enough to improve your English, improve your confidence, and improve your speaking skills. These three steps are enough. So, if I tell you how much percentage each process occupy if you want to become a fluent speaker, so listening occupy 25%, but it's important, and speaking occupy 50%. And you know what? People often skip this process, speaking. I don't know why. If you want to learn how to speak, so how you can forget that step? I don't understand. But whatever. So, and then writing occupy 25%. So in my opinion, what I had experienced in my journey of learning English, this is what I experienced. So this is very important to speak, because 50% of spoken English contain speaking. So you have to speak. Without speaking, I don't think you can be a good speaker. I don't think so. So let's discuss the first, listening. What to listen? Everyone is saying to listen, listen. What to listen? What is beneficial for us to listen and understand, and which helps us to speak English very well? What to listen? The question is what to listen. So I only recommend you three things. First one is cartoon. Second one is vlogging in English. You love vlogging, so if you can watch it in English, it's gonna be very beneficial for you. And third one is convert your phone into English. How? I will tell you. So first of all, cartoon. Which cartoon? Any cartoon which you gonna like. Like I like Peppa Pig. I really like. I spend an hour, 2 hour just to watch the cartoon. Yeah, I like it. So, and after that, I prefer vlogging in English. That helps me to connect with my real life. Yeah. So which channel is good? So the channel which I watch is Kelly Korea, and if you don't understand the accent, uh, I think it's easy to understand. But if you can't, I have a second channel. That channel is also good. So I am gonna be mention it here, and you can see and go and watch. So let's talk about the third one. Third one is converting your phone into English. How you can? How I did is I just search about English contents like English clip, English cartoons, English movies, everything about English. So then my feed is full of English content, and whenever I watch, I just double click and like it, so that YouTube will recommend only English content to me, which gonna be really help you, and which really helps me to improve my English. Because whenever I scroll the shorts, I just watch English content. My feed is only full of English contents, so that I just watch English content. So This is my personal experience which really helped me to improve my fluency, because I just watch English and see how they are saying everything, and how they structure the sentences, how is the expression, and I just copied. Yeah, at the first stage of learning English, you have to copy the front and who is in the front of you, because from there you can learn how to really create your expression. It's simple, just watch and copy. So this is what I did to improve my listening skills, which is also play a good role in your speaking skill. So the second step is speaking, and the same question here is what to speak. So what I did to improve my speaking skills in the second process of speaking, what I did. So I just do two things, which is just start conversating with ChatGPT. Yeah, I just speak with the ChatGPT. This app is super helpful for me to improve my fluency, because when you talk with someone else, then after that you can think more to what to reply. So the ChatGPT is very beneficial for me. And the second step is reading. Everyone says to read, but what to read? Newspaper, books? I don't recommend you both of them, because you can't maintain the consistency, because I also did. I can't maintain the consistency. Why? Because I think when I am studying, I don't think I have lots of time to read. That's why I can't maintain the consistency. So what I did, very simple, again the ChatGPT. What I do, just open the ChatGPT and start texting, but with my voice. I just speak, and typing is automatically done. And then after that, when I send the message, ChatGPT also text me. But what I do, I just read everything that the ChatGPT sends me with emotions. And it helps you to improve your reading also. It helps you how ChatGPT structured the sentence, and you can copy too. So I'm gonna show you these two steps. Open the ChatGPT. It's look like this, and then click here. Yeah, like this. Hello, Chatty.
Hey there, how's it going? What can I do for you today?
Actually, I'm right now shooting my video, and I want a tip for my viewers. Can you say them how to improve their fluency in English?
Absolutely. One great tip for improving fluency in English is to practice speaking regularly, even if it's just with a language partner or by talking to yourself. Consistency and getting comfortable with the language are key.
Like this, you can improve your fluency by chatting with ChatGPT. So, by speaking with ChatGPT. And the second step that I told you, to text ChatGPT by speaking, I mean, you speak and text are automatically written, and then ChatGPT reply you. So how you can, just click here, and then, hi ChatGPT, today I'm shooting the video, like this, and then send. And it's like, what to do the next, just read with emotions, like what ChatGPT reply me. Got it? You want something natural?
You can say in your video, here's a smooth line you can use. Hi ChatGPT, today I'm shooting a video and I'd like you to share a useful tip for my viewers on how they can improve their English. Would you like me to make it sound more casual, like you are talking to a friend, or more formal,
like you are addressing an audience? I think it's a good thing. It's a good weapon for every English learner to improve their speaking skills. I think it's really helped us. And people often making excuses. I don't think this is a good idea. So this is all about ChatGPT, and in speaking, only ChatGPT helps me. In reading, just ChatGPT and nothing else. So this is what I did to improve my speaking skills in the second step of speaking, which is also reading. So let's move on to the third step. And the third step, writing. And the same question is here, what to write? Funny. It's not that funny. So what to write? I just write two things in a day. First of all, my story, whatever I have done in the day, I just used to write at the night. Whatever I have done. This is the first thing that I do. And the second thing is, I just open ChatGPT and tell him to give me 3 words so that I can make story. And I just get 3 words, new words, so that I can also learn 3 words per day. It's gonna be help you to improve your vocabulary also. So when I get the 3 words, I just used to write a whole page story by making any story with these 3 words. It's gonna be help you a lot, and writing helps you to improve your thinking. You just have to write. If you write, it helps you to improve. It helps your brain to be sharp and think more, and it gonna be help you to speak more confidently. So if you want to be a better speaker, you have to follow this 3 process, and nothing, it's the 3 process is enough for your speaking skills. And these 3 steps what I did in my life to improve my speaking skills, and that's enough for me. But what about the tenses? I didn't tell you about a single word of tenses. Yes, I don't tell you about, because if you want to be a good speaker, you don't have to learn grammar. No. So when you complete these 3 steps, so that if you want to learn grammar, you can go through that grammar books, grammar videos. But if you didn't completed the 3 steps, this is gonna be very harmful for you if you directly jump on the grammar. Don't do that. So that's all about my journey of learning English, and I think it's gonna be really helpful for you to improve your English too. And it is basically based on my experience, what I did to improve my English. I just open everything to you guys to improve your English too. So that's all for today. I hope it helped you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.